If you want to learn how to add easy conditional thank you pages to your form, and you're looking for a start-day, quick, and no fluff guide, you're in the right place. I've tested all the major form builders out there, and in this short video, I'll show you exactly how to set up 8 conditional redirects based on form responses using the 8 software we'll be using today. Stick around till the end. I'll also share a powerful tip most tutorials skip and give you access to an exclusive free trial. You can't find anywhere else, just for viewers of my channel. Let's dive in. First, open your form in the software. Head to the settings or logic section. This is usually where you'll find form rules or conditions. Now, look for an option like conditional logic or rules. Create a new rule. The key here is to set conditions based on your user's response. For example, if someone selects product A in a drop-down, we'll redirect them to a thank you page specifically about product A. If they choose product B, they'll see a completely different page tailored to that. Next, choose the condition type. This will usually be something like if, question, is, answer. Then choose the action. Redirect to URL or show page and paste your custom thank you page link. Repeat this for every condition you want to set. You can create as many unique thank you pages as you need, and the logic will automatically route users based on what they submitted. Before publishing your form, always preview and test. Submit test entries using different responses to ensure every condition leads to the correct page. You don't want users landing on the wrong message, especially if you're using these forms for lead generation or sales. And here's that bonus tip I promised. If your software supports it, you can use dynamic values in the thank you page URL. This means you can pass on details from the form, like name or email, into the thank you page itself, giving it a more personalized feel. The Kakasing software we're using in this tutorial handles all of this really smoothly. It's beginner-friendly, fast, and works well even for more complex forms. If you want to follow along using the exact tool I used, check out the exclusive free trial. I've linked in the description below. It's only available for my viewers, and it lets you try all the premium features at no cost. Let's quickly recap. You learned how to add conditional thank you pages by setting up logic rules based on user answers, creating redirect actions tied to each condition, testing everything to make sure your logic flows work, and optionally using dynamic URLs to personalize the experience. The key takeaway here is this. By using conditional thank you pages, you can guide users to content that's more relevant, more targeted, and more likely to convert, whether that's to a product, newsletter, or upsell page. If you found this helpful, make sure you don't miss out on that exclusive trial in the description. Try it yourself and start building smarter forms that adapt to your audience.